Hi, it's Coach Karen with the Watering Mouth. I am so happy to talk to you today about being a Nutritarian while we are human beings. I wanted to actually show you my shirt, and it says, "You can't quarantine kindness." I put this shirt on today, and it kind of reminded me to be kind to myself as well as others. And that got me thinking, how kind are we to ourselves when we're taking this path, this journey to becoming Nutritarian? So often, what I've noticed with my clients is there's a lot of mind drama, so to speak, beating themselves up when they don't eat 100% Nutritarian. And I'm here to tell you that part of the human experience is finding what works for you. And we don't have to make this super complicated. We can make it easy. And I love that acronym, easy. So for E, what would I say? I would tell you just to start eating more greens. So where are you right now nutritionally? Add some greens to your day. Maybe add a cup or two to lunch and a cup or two to dinner. And that's a fabulous step that you're taking in the right direction. And then there's the A of easy. Add more color to your diet, right? Add the berries to your diet. Add those colorful veggies to your diet. Those phytochemicals, those phytonutrients, right? Those are what is helping us get healthy. Okay, then we have that S in easy, EAS. And there's the Y. So that S in easy, subtract the processed food. How much processed food are you eating on a daily basis? Can you subtract one serving of that from your diet? And then the Y, it's about you, right? Like, let's figure out what works for you. This journey to health isn't about being perfect. It's about becoming healthier. So when you keep it easy and you remember to eat those plants, eat those leafy greens, add the colors, add the berries, add the red peppers, add the carrots, add all those gorgeous colors. Subtract some of the processed foods that you're eating. Just remove some of that from your diet. And remember, what works for you is different than what works for your friend, what works for that person that you're watching on social media. We want to make this diet, this lifestyle, right? Because it's not really a diet, something that's doable for you. It doesn't have to be all or nothing. Be kind to yourself and just think, what kind of easy steps can you add to your diet, to the foods you eat on a daily basis, to bring more health into your life. So that's what I would suggest for you. If you want more help, if you're ready to perhaps get a coach, I'm here for you. You can apply for coaching with me at www.thewateringmouth.com/Nutritarian-coaching. It's not for everyone, but for those that are really dedicated and ready to make a lifestyle change that's going to last for the rest of their lives, this is a great opportunity for you to apply for a free mini session, right? This is this free session. It'll last 30 to 45 minutes, and you'll walk away from that session knowing why what you've been doing in the past isn't working and what you need to do in the future to get the results that you're after. I'd love to talk to you. But either way, remember to keep it easy, okay? Eat those plants, add those colors with those veggies and those berries, subtract that processed food, and do what works for you. Take care.